Hello, my name is Danny, and this is my Web Development 2 final project. We were to build a customer info page and a pet info page, and I'm just here to show you how it works. So, here I have my customer info page with all of the information to type in. So I'll just kind of use some fake information to do that. I'll say Sonic. Oh no, we'll say Mario, and we'll say Castle Lane. This is address. The city is Atlanta. The state is Georgia. Excuse me. 30123 Mario. I've used this name before, so Mario.com. And we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9, 9. Oops, 9, 9. Let me get rid of those. Those are not needed. Okay, ID type, we'll say driver's license, and the ID number we'll say is 114455. Excuse me. So I'm going to submit that. No, I don't want to save this address, and I have new records created successfully, and it's got all of the information. I tried to echo that out so that I could see that it was taking the variables correctly. Excuse me. And so here is my database, the customer database here. I apologize, I'm getting over a sickness. And I'm going to refresh and make sure that Mario appears. And he has. So I have that here. Excuse me. And so what you'll notice here is in the pet ID column, he's assigned a default pet ID of all zeros, and that is because I can't make a new customer without having a pet ID tied to it, because the pet ID is the foreign key for this table. So he has the default pet ID, and I'll show you that here. So I made a default. Excuse me. And so now what I want to do is Mario has to have a pet to adopt. So let me pull up my pet info screen as if I was an employee to put the pet info in. Excuse me. Okay, so we have pet ID that's up to 6 characters. I'm gonna do 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. The pet type is gonna be dog. Description is a green dog with white spots. Pet weight, we'll say he's 5 pounds. And pet image, for this I just kind of plugged in random URLs. So I'll say yoshi.com/yoshi.jpg. My apologies. So I'll click submit here, and you get the new records created successfully with all the stuff that we added. So let's go back and see if the pet is injected, and he is. So there's his pet ID, 789123, green dog with white spots, and the URL for his pet picture, his weight. Everything looks good. So from here, I'm going to copy the pet ID because I need that, and I want to link Mario and Yoshi together. So for that, I am going to go back to my customer ad page. And I have a link here that says looking to update existing pet ID. Click here. So I'm going to click there. And basically I want to add this pet ID, which is that's Yoshi's, and then I need to add the customer ID for Mario so that they can be linked together. So let's go find Mario's ID. Here's his ID. Okay, and when I plug that in, it says 789123 has been assigned to customer ID number 114455. So they should be assigned to each other. This 0 value here for Mario should change to Yoshi's ID. And it does. So you can see now it's 789123. Mario officially owns Yoshi. Okay, so I wanted to also show you the update function. So click here. So same thing, you need to have your pet ID to be able to update the pet. So for this one, we'll use our example, Yoshi. Let me grab his pet ID one more time. So pet ID. Okay, so I've got his pet. Oh, let's add that 3. So we can change his pet type. We'll change it to dragon. I don't really know what. I think he's a dinosaur actually. So dinosaur, and we'll say green with a tail for the description. Weight, we'll put him at 11 pounds. And the image, we'll say yoshi.com/yoshi-aged.jpg. Okay, so once I have that in there, I'll put submit. 789123 has been changed. Pet record updated successfully. Let's go back and make sure that that actually changed. So, and there you go. So he's pet type dinosaur, green with a tail. His new URL and his new weight is in there. Okay. Okay, and so the last thing I want to do is remove a pet. I want to add my pet ID of the pet that I want to delete, and that is Yoshi789123. Press submit, and pet has been deleted, sad face, with the ID number in there. So we'll just go to pet, and Yoshi does not exist in the table. So that is my project, and thank you very much for watching.